Students, after learning preparation of trial balance, our next topic is types of errors. So errors are basically of two types: errors affecting trial balance and errors not affecting trial balance. So errors affecting trial balance means if the trial balance does not tally, and it will indicate that certain errors have been committed which have affected the agreement of the trial balance. In this particular condition, total of trial balance will not tally. So that means still there are few errors. So we will discuss different kind of errors. First one is wrong casting. That means if the total of the cash book or some other subsidiary books is wrong, the trial balance will not tally. For example, the total of purchase book has been added rupees 1000 in excess. So when this total will be posted to the debit side of purchase account, it will also show an excess debit of rupees 1000, and hence the trial balance will not tally. So whenever the total of subsidiaries and cash book will be wrong, so in that particular condition, our trial balance will not tally. Next one is posting to the wrong site. Now, suppose we have purchased goods from X. So our journal entry will be purchase account debit to X, and we have to write treatment in purchase account at the debit side and treatment in X's account at the credit side. But in place of writing treatment in debit side of purchase account, we have written credit side. So that means that the balance which will be provided by the purchase account will be wrong. So in this particular condition, again, the total of trial balance will not tally. Okay. Now, next problem is posting of wrong amount. Now, see, suppose we have purchase goods from X worth rupees 5000. So our journal entry will be purchase account debit to X and rupees 5000 we have to write. And same way when we will write treatment in purchase account, so we have to write in debit side to X rupees 5000. And when we will prepare X's account, so then we have to write in credit side buy purchases rupees 5000. In place of 5000, suppose we have written 500 rupees, so that will be condition as that will be treated as a writing of wrong amount. So in this particular case also, trial balance will not tally. Okay. Next is omission of posting of one side of any entry. Omission. You know, meaning of omission is bhul jana. Okay. So suppose, na, very important thing is this: omission of posting of one side of an entry. Okay. Suppose our journal entry is purchase account debit to X. We have written this amount in purchase account, but we have omitted to write this amount in X's account. So again, our trial balance will not tally. Okay. Next point is double posting in a single account. Double posting in a single account. That means suppose we have purchased goods from X rupees 5000 and we have written two times in purchase account. So in this condition also our trial balance will not tally. So we have to be very alert while writing all these treatments. Next one is errors of totaling and balancing of account in the ledger. So at the time of totaling of any account or at the time of balancing of any account, we have to be very alert. We have to do all the things very nicely so that our trial balance must tally. So these were few errors which will affect trial balance, and there are few more errors which will not affect trial balance, means total of trial balance will tally, but still there will be few errors. So second type of errors is errors not affecting trial balance. Okay. And these errors are errors of omission, complete omission of any entry. By the complete omission of any entry, total of trial balance will come equal. Okay, suppose there is one entry purchase account debit to X and you have not written this particular entry in your books of account. So total of trial balance will come equal, but still you can see there are errors in your books of accounts. Next is error of commission. If a wrong amount is entered either in the journal or in the subsidiary books, the trial balance will tally because the same amount will be posted in both the accounts. Suppose we have purchased goods worth rupees 5,000 and in place of 5,000 we have written 500 rupees. So there is an error of writing amount, but still total of both side will come equal. Next is error of principle. Error of principle means when some fundamental principle of accountancy is violated while recording a transaction, the error is termed as error of principle. Okay, suppose we have purchased building worth rupees 2 lakh. So our journal entry must be building account debit to cash or bank. But in place of writing building, we are writing purchase account debit. So this is one of the error of principle. In this case, total of trial balance will come equal, but still you can see there are errors. Okay, now next one is error of posting in wrong account. Error of posting in wrong account. If while posting from the books of original entry, posting is made to a wrong account but on the correct side, so the error will not affect the agreement of trial balance. If, for example, goods are sold to Ram on credit, but Shyam's account is debited in place of Ram's account in ledger, so the trial balance would tally in spite of error in both the accounts. So like this, we will discuss about different kinds of error in there is a different chapter for this, that is errors and their rectification. Okay.